Well, tonight, China is accusing the U.S. of starting the biggest trade war in history. Chinese officials are retaliating against new tariffs imposed today by the Trump administration. Mark Meredith is watching the fallout from Washington.
The U.S. and China seem to have begun a trade war.
They charge a 50% tax. We charge a 50% tax.
The U.S. has slapped tariffs on $34 billion of Chinese exports to the U.S., everything from boat propellers to X-ray machines. President Trump says the tariffs will force China to reevaluate its trade practices.
We have trade deficits. They have surpluses.
Instead, China has slapped back, placing tariffs on U.S. exports to China, everything from cars to crops. Jeffrey Schott, an economist with the Peterson Institute, says tariffs raise prices.
Consumers will react to higher prices. They'll either buy less or put off purchases.
The White House says if China doesn't back down, it may impose another round of tariffs on more Chinese products within weeks. Schott says the longer tariffs last, the longer the global economy suffers. Republican Senator Pat Toomey has warned the president that American farmers will suffer most.
The ag community is more adversely affected by the retaliation against these ill-conceived tariffs.
But Florida Republican Congressman Neil Dunn says the White House deserves some time to shake things up.
If this turns out to be really broken in a month or two or three, maybe we get involved.
However, experts warn if over the next few months the trade fight proves to be a drag on the U.S. economy, it could cause problems for vulnerable Republicans running for re-election this November. In Washington, Mark Meredith, News 4, Utah.